Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to consolidate, you could say. Actually, it has come down quite a bit, but it could all be part of a larger range movement there that might be forming. I just see the potential there. To be honest, it's too early to confirm that, but we talked about that in yesterday's video already. Remember, we looked at this potential for a sideways triangle. Again, it's way too early to really confirm it. I would need a higher low in this C wave highlighted here in gray. And then if we start to see it move up, then we can argue, okay, maybe it's an A, B, C, D, E Elliott wave triangle, and we're forming here a sideways correction in wave 4. Yeah, that's one possibility. There are various possibilities. First of all, you need to understand this could form a bit of a range movement. However, that's really only valid as long as the price stays above 34 cents, right? So only above 34 cents, we can look at this as a range or a triangle, either in wave 4 or either in wave 4, because wave 4 can be a triangle, or as a B wave. We will explore that further if we actually see that there is a triangle. Until then, there is currently no signal at all that a low is in, but I want to make you aware just of the importance, if there is a triangle, that it holds the 34 cent level, which is the low that was made on Tuesday, the 14th of November, because a break below that would invalidate any triangle. It's already questionable, the idea of a triangle, because we haven't had an overshooting B wave. Now it would have to be some kind of a running triangle, at least if we consider it as wave 4. So we'll see. We'll see how that plays out. But for now, I have no indication that a low has been made in this triangle. It really takes a break above the 41 cent level to confirm that the fifth wave is unfolding. I explained to you in yesterday's video that I'm leaning towards the yellow count. So again, gray is just another subdivision of yellow. It's basically between the yellow count and the white count. In the yellow count, we're currently dealing here with a wave 4, which could lead to another wave 5 in wave A. Afterwards, we should get a deep pullback in a B wave before moving up further in a C wave. That's sort of the base case. It could be, because A waves can be 5 wave moves or 3 wave moves, it could be that the A wave is already complete here. In this scenario, we are already in this B wave. So that B wave would give us a lower support area than the wave 4, which means from a risk management point of view, it might make sense to focus more on the lower support area. That goes down to 26.4 cents. That hasn't changed. So really, technically, against the 26.4 cent level, the focus can overall be on higher. It's really not until we break below that level that I'm going to have a strong leaning towards another bear market low from here. Okay, so don't misunderstand me. Another bear market low is still very much possible on the ADA chart, but it depends on failing to form this diagonal. So we're dealing with a potential diagonal pattern which needs 5 waves. We're far from having 5 waves complete. Maybe we are 50% through the diagonal. Yeah. When it forms 5 waves, then we have a first confirmation that a lasting low has been established here. But then it really depends on the pullback afterwards. It could just be an ABC structure down, and we will formulate a support area for this one, which would be a long trade opportunity. And then we have a so-called 1-2 setup, and we can confirm further, yep, the low was in, and we get even a better reward to risk ratio than buying up here. The problem is that after 5 waves up, we're not out of the woods. It could form another 5 wave move down. Why is that? That's because the entire move up, this diagonal, could be part due to the chart context. Never forget about the context, right? Due to the chart context, this here could have been a 3-wave move in a larger A wave. The move down was a 3-wave move in a larger B wave. They never make good bottoming structures. And this could just be a C wave, which results in another sell-off afterwards. So it will take a while until ADA is out of the woods. Yeah, and that will at least mean 5 waves up, 3 waves down. Until then, we can track the structure, identify short-term setups, but to really change the probabilities, or to really give us clear probabilities, let's say it like that, towards something bullish on this chart, medium term, long term, we need to see that 5-wave structure to the upside, the diagonal pattern form, followed by a 3-wave pullback in which a higher low support area is holding. So in the short term, it's all about, okay, does this, what was it, 34-cent level hold? Yeah, and if it does, then we're watching for a triangle to form. Below 34 cents, I'm going to watch 32.5 cents, 30.7 cents as next Fibonacci supports. That's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.